Hey all of you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install AMPPS server on Windows 10. If you are new here, please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. Alright, open your favorite web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. And just type here AMPPS. Hit enter button. And you will see the first link of amps.com. Just click on it and you can see here interface of amps.com. Just click on download. And you can see here 3 distribution version of AMPPS: Windows, macOS and Linux. Now I am going to download Windows version. Alright, AMPPS downloaded. Now I am going to my download folder. Here is the file of AMPPS. Now I am going to install this. Just double click on it. Click next. Check agree box. Next, and make sure that file location, in my case this is my default file location, that's why I keep this. Just click next, and install. If you don't have Microsoft Visual C++, then you have to install this. So in my case already Microsoft Visual C++ installed, that's why I'm going to close it. Just click on finish. Click allow access. Now here is the interface of AMPPS, and you can see here Apache server is on, MySQL database is on, and you can select here PHP version. PHP is running. Now click on homepage button, and you can see here localhost interface, and left side there are many options, and you can easily manage database from here. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching this video. See you next video. Thank you.